In this video, I am going to start the question number 6 which is given in your workbook. Question number 6 is answer the following questions on the basis of the details given in the table. This kind of questions already you have done previously in the previous chapters. So what is given? One table is given, and in this table the column, this column is of items, means we can say the things name, the different things name, and the price of that things are given. Accordingly, that we have to find the question answers. One is, what is the cost of 25 pencils? What is the cost of 25 pencils? This we have to find. Now we are having the cost for 15 pencils and we have to find the cost of 25 pencils. Means more pencils cost we have to find. So cross multiplication will come. So sentence can write like this way, that 15 pencil cost we are having rupees 45. Cost of 15 pencils we are having rupees 45. So what is the cost of 25 pencil? This we are finding. So cross multiplication you will do like this. See why I am making cross here, that you should know that which number will come with which number. Means 45 we will multiply with this 25. So 45 rupees multiply 25 divided with this 15. So this we have to do like this, cross multiplication. 45 we will multiply with this 25 and 15 will come down, means we have to divide with this 15. Now it's easy to decide from this both number that which number is coming in table of 15, right? So 45 is coming in table of 15. So directly we can cut 15 3s are 45. So cut 15, cut this 45 and put this 3 up on the 45. Now we are having remaining two numbers. 3 multiply 25. So 3 multiply 25. Answer we have got of this 25 3s are rupees 75. So this is our answer. Rupees 75. So cost of 25 pencil we have got rupees 75. Likewise this we have to solve the question. What is the cost of 18 pens? So same method will come. So first we have to look at into the table where is pen is given the number 2. So we are having the cost for 12 pens which is 120 rupees. And we have to find the cost for 18 pens. So same cross multiplication will come. So the cost of 12 pens, that is we are having rupees 120. So what is the cost of 18 pens? That we have to find. So similarly cross multiplication we have to do like this. So 120 will come with 80, means 120 will multiply with this 18 and divided with the 12. This is our step, means likewise this we can do the sum. Now which number is divided with the 12 easily? So 120 is coming in table of 20. 12 tens are 120. So now we are having remaining 10 multiply 18. So 10 multiply 18. So 18 tens are rupees 180. This is our answer. So the cost of 12 pens that we have got rupees 180. So likewise this you have to do the steps or method. Now stapler. What is the cost of 12 staplers? So same method will come, but the things are given, means the items are given different. Here it is given 12 staplers and we are having the cost of 8 stapler in the table, which is of 240 rupees. So we can write like this way, the cost of 8 staplers. So cost of 8 stapler we are having rupees 240. So what is the cost of 12 staplers? That we have to find. So cross multiply we will do. Of 240 we will multiply with this 12 and we will divide this 2, means this both the number with this 8, means 8 will come down like this. Now see, 12 is not easily divisible by 8. It is divisible, but we have to find the easiest method, right? So this 240 we are taking with the 8, means this 240 we are dividing with this 8. See how 8 3s are 24. 24 minus 24 0 0 and 0 down. Division already we are knowing how to do, and 8 zeros are 0. So answer we have got 30. What is the meaning of this? That means 38s are 240. Now we can easily cut 8 and 240 cut and keep 30 upside. So now we are having remaining just two numbers, which are 30 and 12. So now we have to do the multiplication of these two numbers. 30 multiplied 12. See, this multiplication is very easy. Why? Because 8 is the table of 12. So as I have taught you priorly, so 12 3s are 36 and add this 0 back side of the 6. So in the short way you have to do the multiplication. So rupees 360 we have got as the answer. So what is the cost of 12 stapler? Rupees 360. Question number 4. What is the cost of 36 sharpeners? So in this table we are having the cost of just 4 sharpeners, which is rupees 8. And we have to find the cost of 36 sharpener, means more sharpener cost we have to find. So same method will come, that the cost of 4 sharpeners is rupees 8. So what is the cost of 36 sharpener? That we have to find. So cross multiplication we will do of 8 multiply 36 divided with this 4, because this 4 will come down like this. So it's very small numbers, easily you can divide. See, this 8 and 36, both the numbers are coming in table of 4. So you can divide like this way, that 4 2s are 8. 4 2s are 8. And now we are having remaining just 2 multiply 36. So the answer of this multiplication you can find like this way, by doing the multiplication in the rough space. 6 2s are 12, 2 keep down, 1 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7. So it's rupees 72. So the cost for 36 sharpener we have got rupees 72. So number 5. What is the cost of 10 fabric? What is the cost of 10 fabric sticks? See, alternately we are finding all the items cost. So in the table we are having the cost for the 7 fabric stick, and we have to find the cost for the 10 fabric stick. So the cost of 7 fabric stick is rupees 245, and the cost for 10 fabric stick we have to find. So 10 fabric sticks cost is equals to how much? So cross multiplication. cross multiplication of this 245 rupees will be multiplied with this 10. So 245 multiplied 10. This 7 will come down, means divided with this 7. Now we have to split the table of 7. But here this number is very big. 10 is not coming. So definitely this 10 we can't divide with this 7. So we have to divide this 245 with this 7. So for that we need to do the division in rough space. So 24 is not coming in table of 7. So least number we have to take, which is 7 3s are 21. 4 minus 1 3. 2 minus 2 0. 5 you have to keep down. 35 is coming in table of 7. 7 5s are 35. So answer we have got of this division, which is 35. So we can cut this 7. We can cut this 245. And this 35 we can keep upside. Now two numbers are remaining with us, which is 35 and 10. So 35 multiplied 10. Multiplications are very easy. So direct also you can do. See, 35 tens are. So as you are knowing that you are speaking 10 tens are 100 like this, right? So 35 tens are 350 rupees. This is your answer. That means the cost of 10 fabric is rupees 350. This is your answer. Now question number 6. Question number 6 and 7. These two questions are little bit different from this question number 5. See, question number 6 is, what is the total cost of 20 pencils and 3 staplers? See, in the previous numbers we have find the cost for the only one items, right? Means in the question only one item is given. And now in this question number 6, 20 pencil cost and 3 staplers cost we have to find first. And after that the total cost of both of these we have to find. So method will be like this. First we are finding the cost for the 20 pencil. So as we are knowing that we are having the cost of 15 pencil, which is 45. So we can write like this, that cost of 15 pencils we are having rupees 45. So what is the cost of 20 pencil? Now it's easy for you to do the cross multiplication like this. So 45 will multiply with this 20. And this 15 will come down. So 15 3s are 45 as we have done previously, and 3 multiplied 20, which is 2 3s are 6 and back side 0, or else you can split the table of 20. 20 3s are rupees 60. So, but this is not our final answer. Still we need to find the cost for this 3 staplers. So let's find it. And this we have to find from this table, because we are having the cost of 8 staplers, which is 240 rupees. So cost of 8 staplers, cost we are having rupees 240. And we have to find the cost for the 3 staplers. So cost for 3 staplers is how much? So, cross multiplication we will do here. 240 multiplied by 3 divided with this 8. So, in the previous question we have done this kind of step, and we have cut this 8, cut this 240, and we have keep that is 30, because 30 8s are 240. So, answer we have got 30 multiplied by 3. So 33s are rupees 90, and this 90 rupees is the cost for the 3 staplers, right? That we have found. But this is not our final answer, because in the question the total word is given. The total cost of 20 pencil and 3 staplers. That means cost of this pencil and cost of this stapler. These two we have to do combine. Means we have to make the addition of the 60 and 90 rupees. After that we will get the final answer, which is the total cost of 20 pencil and the 3 staplers. So we can do like this. Means this 90 and this 60, like we can make addition. So rupees 60 plus rupees 90. So answer we will get 150 rupees, which is our final answer. So total cost we have find, which is 150 rupees. This is your answer. Now question number 7, which is similar to the question number 6. What is the total cost of 15 pens and the 8 fevistick? Same method we have to apply. First we will find the cost for 15 pens. So 12 pens we are having. The cost of 12 pens we are having in the table, which is rupees 120. So what is the cost of 15 pens? So cross multiplication will come. So 120 multiply this 15 divided with this 12. So just now in the previous question that we have find that 12 tens are we can take. Means 10 we have to keep upside, because 12 tens are 120. So now which numbers we are having remaining? 10 multiply 15. So 15 tens are 150 rupees. This we have find for the cost for 15 pens, right? So we can write like this way, that rupees 150. Now we have to find the cost for the 8 fevisticks. So in the table we are having the cost for the 7 fevistick, which is 245, and we have to find for the 8 fevistick. So sentence we can make like this, that the cost of 7 fevistick is rupees 245. So what is the cost? What is the cost of 8 fevistick? Is equals to how much? Cross multiplication, 245 multiply this 8, downside we are dividing with this 7. So just now we have find the same step, because in table of 7 means we have divided this 245 with this 7. So that time we have got 35 answer of division. So 7 35s are 245. So which numbers are remaining? 35 multiply by 8. This multiplication you have to do in the rough space. So whenever you will do multiplication of this 35 and 8, so answer you will get 5 8s are 40, 0 for down and 4 as a carry number, 3 8s are 24, 24 plus 4, 28. So 280 rupees we have got as an answer. 150 and rupees 280, like we will make addition. So rupees 280 plus rupees 150, we will make addition like this. So 0 plus 0, 0, 5, 8 plus 5, that is 30, 1 carry on 2, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. So 430 rupees is our final answer of the total cost of 15 pens and 8 fevistick. So answer we have got 430. So likewise this you have to use the method in this whole question, but space is not given, so we are just writing the answer directly. Okay, so I hope that all have understood in this video and in this question very well. Thank you. Have a nice day.